Are you tired of waiting for motivation to hit? Here's the truth, without daily discipline, motivation is useless.
Stick around as we uncover the secret to success, the power of consistency.
Understanding the concept. Motivation is like a spark that ignites a fire, but consistency is the wood that keeps the fire burning. You can't rely on motivation every single day. It's a fleeting feeling. But consistency? That's a habit that will take you further than any temporary burst of energy. Every small effort you make daily adds up over time, shaping your success. Inspiring story. Let me tell you a story about a successful person who mastered the art of consistency. Meet John. John wasn't the most talented, he wasn't even the fastest, but he was consistent. Every morning he showed up, rain or shine, putting in the work. Day after day, John stayed disciplined. Even when others gave up or got distracted, he stuck to his routine. And guess what? After months, those small, consistent actions led him to massive success. He didn't wait for motivation, he relied on his daily discipline. John's secret wasn't a fancy technique, it was simply this: consistency wins. Why consistency works? Consistency doesn't need to be huge. It's the small daily actions that compound into big results. It's about making progress, even if it's just 1% better every day. You don't need to be perfect, just persistent. So ask yourself, what small action can you take today to be consistent with your goals? Remember, even the smallest step forward is progress. Don't let motivation fool you. Build the habit of consistency and watch your results soar. So what's one thing you'll stay consistent with today? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories and tips. Keep showing up every day because success doesn't happen overnight. It happens consistently. Thanks for watching, and remember, consistency is the key to unlocking your full potential.